Good day, everyone. I will share to you how structuralism, as a way of approaching texts and practices, discuss culture. Structuralism is a general theory of culture and methodology that implies that elements of human culture must be understood by way of their relationship to a broader system. Structuralism is also a belief that phenomena of human life are not intelligible except through their interrelations. These relations constitute a structure, and behind local variation and the surface phenomena, there are constant laws of abstract structure. Ferdinand Saussure, he divides language into two components part, signifier and signified. Signifier and signified is a concept most commonly related to semiotics that can be described as the study of sign and symbol and their use or interpretation. Signifier is the sound associated with or image of something. Signified is the idea or concept of the things. Ferdinand de Saussure divide the division into two, the langue and parole. Langue refers to rules behind the way the language is arranged in use, while parole refers to the actual utterances of language, both written and spoken. Langue and parole is a theoretical linguistic dichotomy distinguished by Ferdinand de Saussure in his course in general linguistics. The French term langue encompasses the abstract systematic rules and conventions of a signifying system. Structuralism takes two basis ideas from Saussure's work. First, a concern with underlying relation of text and practices through grammar that makes meaning possible. Second, the view of meaning is always the result of selection and combination made possible by underlying structure. So now let's proceed to Claude Lévi-Strauss. He claims that beneath the vast heterogeneity of myth there can be discovered a homogeneous structure. He used Saussure to help discover the unconscious foundation of the culture's so-called primitive societies. In short, he argues that individual made an example of Peru, so articulation the underlying structure of language. By understanding this structure, we should be able to understand the meaning of operational value of particular need. So let's proceed to post-structuralism. Post-structuralism rejects the idea of an underlying structure upon which meaning can rest secure and guaranteed meaning is always in process. Post-structuralism, a body of different response to structuralism, a philosophical movement of the 20th century, and it focused mainly on language as a system and constant change. Let's proceed to Jacques Derrida. Derrida has invented a new word to describe the undivided nature of sign difference, meaning both to differ and deeper. Derrida argues that there are no self-sufficient units of meaning in a text, because individual words or sentences in a text can only be properly understood in terms of how they fit into the larger structure of the text and language. Saussure model of difference is spatial, and switching is made in the relation between signs that are locked together in a self-regulating structure. Derrida, the binary opposition is never a simple structural relation. That's all about structuralism is a way of text and practices. I hope you have learned from it. Thank you for listening.